Today, we're diving into world of Photoshop and explore one of the most powerful and versatile tool in your editing arsenal, the magnetic laser tool. The magnetic laser tool is a fantastic feature in Photoshop that allows you to make precise selections with ease, especially useful when working with images that have well-defined edges, making your selection process faster and more accurate. Okay, to access the magnetic laser tools, page over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It looks like a laser tools. You can click over here. Now you can find there's the laser tools with a small magnetic, or you can find magnet attached to it. So click on it and simply, or you can use the shortcut keyword or keyboard to activate the L by clicking over here, and it's activated in here. Okay, so now let's look at the options bar of the top of the screen. So here you'll find the various settings to customize your magnetic laser experience. Experiment with all you can use the width and the constricts with this one, or you can change the frequency. Okay, so I'll show you the example, and before that I'll use the picture. Go to the file tabs and select the open, and from here let me choose the orange as the picture, and I want to apply my selections are with the magnetic laser tools, this selections. Okay, so let's select, and this will be the 15%, and here it comes up to the 50% frequency. If I say this will be 60, and here we have the 60. Now you can easily select this one, or I can just take my cursor and let me shows up how it come, and I can just take and is automatically selections the area according to the color range. Okay, so this way you can easily select it with this one. Now you can see is automatically takes, and if anything is not correct, so you can erase it or delete it with the backspace by selections here, and now you can see is selected the automatically in there, and here now you can see is selected and just stop it. Okay, so here is make, or it is making the selections in there, and if the magnetic laser tools does not perfectly follow the edges, or if you want to make the adjustment, don't worry, you can manually add or subtract from your selections using the add selections, and you can do it. And here we have the add the selection tools, or else the subtract from here the selections, or you can use the instruct or intersect with the selections. Okay, and when everything is done, you can use the select and make it, and it will give you the selections as a marks in there. Okay, so this way you can easily use your selections with the magnetic, and you can work with you can work with the combinations of different one. Okay, and you can also use the refine here, and it can give you the refine here, or you can use also the selected subject. It will give you the selected subject in a different way. Okay, so once you have met and everything is done, you can easily work with this one and by okay, and it can give you the perfect selection in your. Okay, so all right, that's a wrap up on our magnetic laser tools tutorial. Remember to practice and experiment with different images to become a pro at making precise selections. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.